Hello everyone, my name is Megha Goyal and I welcome you all on my channel. My channel Divine Souls talk about the solution of your life, and today I will talk about the door opportunities. So what is basically door opportunities? So whenever we want to enter somewhere, हम कहाँ से घुसते हैं? From the door. We open the door and we enter inside the home, inside the office. So basically कहीं भी घुसने के लिए you have to open the door. Same way, to get wealth, health, love in your life, the way of entering those energies in your home is through door. So in this video I will be teaching you all the door opportunity mojo bag. So for this you need 7 coins. You will be needing pyrite crystal, tiger's eye, clear quartz, citrine, malachite, jade or green aventurine, and you can take this moly जिसको हम कलावा भी कहते हैं. So basically what you have to do first, you have to smudge your crystals, coins. So basically you have to clear the energy of the stones and coin. So I have already done that, and how you can do, so you can keep the stones under the sunlight for 30 minutes, or by the incense smoke you can just show your crystals a smoke so that it can clear all the energies, previous energy the stone is carrying, and you are clearing all the negative energies from this crystal. So this the same way you will be doing for all your crystals and coins. I have already done with this procedure, so I am moving forward that how to make the mojo bag. So of course mojo bag you will be needing a bag. So this bag can be in green or red color. The cloth should be cotton or silk. So I have this silk mojo potli with me. So what I will do, first I will put all these 7 coins by intending that I am receiving the money in my life. So I am putting these 7 coins. Then I will be putting my pyrite crystal. It can be in any form, it can be in tumble, it can be in cluster. So any form it can be. So you will be putting your pyrite. So pyrite is all about wealth. Next I am putting tiger's eye. So sequence can be any sequence. So tiger's eye is basically for protection and for confidence. So we need confidence in our life to get money, and we need protection also. So I am putting tiger's eye so that no negative influence can affect my prosperity, my abundance. Then I will be putting citrine. Citrine crystal is for again attracting the money in your life. So pyrite and citrine together work beautifully. Next I will be putting malachite. So malachite is the crystal for health. Of course with money I need health in my life, so that मेरी health ठीक रहेगी, then only I can go to the work, I can do my work with concentration. So I am putting malachite for good health. Jade, or this is jade, green jade, or you can use green aventurine. So basically this crystal is again for money. So green is the color of money. So we are putting this green jade crystal into my mojo bag, and Wow, I can see such a prosperous sound it is giving. And last, I will be putting my clear quartz crystal. So this crystal basically will help to magnify the energy of all the crystals, and it will give me the real focus into my work. Now what you have to do, so once I have put all the crystals into it, I will take this moli or kalava. It is a normal moli and kalava that you tie on your wrist. So I will be cutting it. Now I will make a knot magic, money knot magic on my this thread. So the color of the thread, if you don't have a moli, the color of the thread is yellow or red. So kalava has both colors, basically red and yellow. That's why I have chosen the kalava here. So basically, if you don't find the kalava, you can take cotton yellow color thread or a red color thread. So yellow is the color for luck, that will bring luck in my life, and red is the color of energy that will speeden up my wealth mojo bag, that will speeden up my work, that will give energy to my work. So now I will be doing 9 knots. So first knot, I will be making first knot, a simple knot, and I will be saying a spell. So by knot 1, my spell begins. So I have tied 1, then leaving a little space, tying second knot. By knot 2, plenty of fruitful work to do. So my second knot is done. Third knot, again leaving a space, I will be doing by knot of 3. By knot of 3, money comes to me. So you have to say this spell while tying the knot. By knot of 4, opportunity knocks at my door. By knot of 5, my business thrives. By knot of 6, the spell is fixed. By knot of 7, success is given. By knot of 8, increase is great. By knot, this is the last knot, 9th knot. By knot of 9, these things are mine. So I have created 9 knots on my this thread with the intention of the spell. Now what you have to do, you will take your mojo bag, just close it, and जो आपने ये knot, magic knot बनाया है, you will tie on the mouth of your mojo bag. So again you will be doing 9 magic knots by again saying the spell. So by knot of 1, my spells begin. By knot of 2, plenty fruitful work to do. By knot of 3, money comes to me. By knot of 4, opportunity knocks a door. By knot of 5, my business thrives. By knot of 6, this spell is fixed. By knot of 7, success is given. By knot of 8, Increase is great. By knot of 9, these things are mine. So your energized door opportunity mojo bag is ready to use now. So now what you will do, so on the inside of a door that open inwards, you will tie this potli on the door knob. So whenever you will open the door to enter inside your home or office, so you can make two potlis, one for your home and one for your office, and whenever you will enter, you will open the door and see it will contact with the door and it will make a sound of wealth, of money. That will remind you of being wealthy. That will remind you that door of prosperity is opening towards you and entering inside. So this is the magical door opportunity mojo bag. And on full moon, so what you have to do, every month on full moon you will take out all the crystals and coin and you will keep under the moonlight for half an hour, and the thread what you have tied on this mojo bag, you will open this thread and you will put it under a tree. Then again you will make a new knot spell and you will put the coins and crystals back into this potli and you will tie the new knot spell on the bag, mojo bag, and again you will tie this mojo bag on the doorknob of your door. But make sure that door should be open inward. So if you have any doubt related to this mojo bag spell, you can ask under the comment section below. I would love to help you. Like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Megha Goyal. I'm an astrologer, numerologist, past life therapist, Vastu and Feng Shui expert, psychic healer and a life coach. Angels love for everyone. Atma Namaste.